So we're given that y is equal to 6x minus x cubed. And we've been given a half-completed table, and we've been asked to fill in the blanks. Well, one of the easiest blanks I can see is 0, because if I put 0 into here, y will be 0. If x is 1, we get 6 minus 1, so this will be 5. If x is negative 1, y is equal to negative 6. Negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1 is negative 1, but we've got a negative sign here, so this will be positive 1. So this will be equal to negative 5. Last one, negative 2. Y equals negative 2 times 6 is negative 12. Negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 is negative 8. Negative 8 now multiplied by the negative here will be positive 8. And this will generate negative 4. We've been asked now to pop these on the grid. Now, I can't draw this perfectly, so I'm just going to sort of sketch the curve in between the dots. These will all have rounded edges. They won't go to sharp corners, but it'll look roughly like that. And that will get you your marks.